We're going to be fitting a rear view camera, but what I want it to be is a permanent rear view mirror as well, because we're not going to have windows in the back doors. But because the Crafter doesn't come with a rear view mirror, what I've done is I've marked off where the mirror would mount, and this little bracket here will be glued to the windscreen. The bracket will attach to that, so you can see there as the bracket fits into there. And then at the front there's a little screw where you attach it and tighten it all up. We're Marc and V, and this is our adventures. So that will mount on the windscreen. So the first job is actually fixing this up there to the windscreen. So that will be mounted like that. So that will be glued to the windscreen and that will be mounted like that. So that is our first job. I looked at various glue reviews online, and they all have pretty much the same sort of comments. Some people were saying they were great, some people were saying they were terrible, and lots of people were saying if you don't do it properly, that's why they fail. So I've eventually gone for this one, which seemed to have the best reviews. I really don't know because I've never used it before, but it's an activator and a glue. So you apply the activator to the bracket and the windscreen, and then afterwards what you do is you mix the glue up in that little pouch on the left hand side there and squeeze it onto the bracket and then apply the bracket. And I think what we'll do then, once we've applied the bracket, we'll hold it in place a little while and then we'll actually tape it and we'll leave it 24 hours before we do anything else. So that's the activator on the glass. This is a one-time use. Certainly, if you get it wrong, you're not going to be doing it a second time. So we've used the activator. And we have to leave that a minute, so we'll just wait for a minute. Okay, so we've waited a minute, and now I've got to add the glue. It says to add 2 drops to the bracket. It's like a golden treacly type substance. So I've added 2 drops. Hold that up, hopefully you can see that. And then we're going to very, very carefully put this into position. Hold. Making sure it's square. I expect once this is in place, there's no second chance. And as you can see, I've used masking tape around the edges. I sort of put the shape in, so I knew I could only put it in one way, so I couldn't make a mistake. It seems to be holding, but I'm not going to trust it. I'm going to put some tape on it. Lovely weather again, isn't it? Welcome to British weather. I'll take you in. Hopefully you can see what I've done there. It's taped in. I think I'll put a little bit underneath as well, just to be sure. And hopefully that will hold it in place. And there you can see, probably gone overkill with the tape, but it's better to have a bit too much than not enough, I think. And we'll leave that for 24 hours now, and then we'll go to the next stage. Okay, so here we are, and it's 24 hours later, and I've just come out to have a look and see how it's gone. It's still stuck to the windscreen, so that's a good sign. So we're just going to pull the tape away, and once it's removed, you can see that the bracket is really fixed firmly, and that looks like a very good job. Hopefully this video has been really useful to you, and if you've liked it, give us a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video, guys. Look after yourselves. See you later. Bye.